Hey guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So previously we have unboxed this ADATA HD330, which is a 2.5 external HDD. This is a durable and shockproof design wherein we have a 1 terabyte of storage in this one. So right now we're going to put it to a test, and we have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 on this one, and on my new setup PC I also has USB 3.2. So we want to try on how fast this one can transfer. So we have loaded 12.8 gig of data inside this one. Everything is all my videos, okay, which I have already uploaded on YouTube. And I just want to try to transfer this to my PC on how fast it can transfer to the PC and vice versa back to this hard drive. So let's get it on. So first things first, we're going to connect this one here. Okay. Then next is to, of course, attach it to my PC. Right now we're going to attach this to my PC, which is also a USB 3.2. Okay, so you can see it light up. Okay, so it has set up very fast. Okay, so right now we're going to transfer all my files. Okay, so let's go to my hard drive. So let's see. ADATA. So I have all the files here, wherein these are everything that I've been working on. So let's check the properties on how heavy these files are. So yes, I was right, 12.8 gig of data. So let's cut it. Let's do it again. Cut. It's transferred to drive C, wherein this is a NVMe, so M.2. So let's paste, see how fast. Okay, let's see more details. So wow, the transfer speed is pretty fast. It runs as fast as 128, 130 Mbps, which of course definitely is fast. So transferring 12.8 gig of data just need roughly around a minute and 30 seconds to complete the task, which is of course definitely very fast. So it has been almost consistent at 130, almost. Okay, so it can go higher to 132, which definitely is very nice to look at. Okay, so 132, 130, more or less, we're pretty much consistent there. You can see the line. Pretty fast. And yeah, what I like about it is very consistent. Transferring from, of course, my ADATA external hard drive all over to my, porting over here to my hard drive. We're almost done. After that, we're going to do the reverse cycle, porting everything back to the hard drive. So we're done. So what we're going to do this time around is to, of course, cut and go back to our hard drive. This one, ADATA. So we'll be putting it back. So a minute 45, so almost the same speed at 130, 31. Okay, so it just takes us a minute and 45 seconds to transfer around 12.8 gig of data to and from our hard drive. Okay, so it is almost as consistent as transferring from the external hard drive all over to my internal hard drive, of course. And this is something very consistent. And yeah, what we are looking for here in the external hard drive, is definitely the consistent transfer speed, which is, of course, this is something that you should consider, especially you. I would really highly suggest that you use the original cable provided inside the box. Yeah, of course, using other cables, it might compromise your transfer speed or even corrupt your data. So we're almost done. So it takes us around a minute and 45 just to complete. And yes, like I said, it runs at around 130 to 132 maximum transfer speed, uh, both to and from my A data hard drive, which is the ADATA HD330. This is a very durable hard drive. When, of course, sometimes you might bump into some accident, when you might, of course, afraid to lose all your data. Yep. So after you use it, definitely you should eject your hard drive. Okay, just to make sure it's safely removed. So there we go. So yeah, we have successfully transferred to and from this ADATA HD 330, having a maximum speed of 132 Mbps is definitely fast. Okay, so this support USB 3.2. Both my PC and this one supports USB 3.2. Definitely, it is very much compatible, and riding on to a NVMe M.2 is definitely as fast, equally fast. Okay, so yeah, if you want to know where I bought this stuff, and can always check my description box below, where to buy this ADATA HD330. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.